Guys, today I'm gonna teach you about Bollinger Bands and how you can use them to trade. Basically, I'm in tradingview.com and I'm checking New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So we'll come here and add Bollinger Bands. You have here Bollinger Bands strategy, but I prefer to use the regular Bollinger Bands. And my strategy will be something like, if the price go out of the Bollinger Band on the bottom and then come in again, I would go for a long until we lose, which means that we close under this Bollinger Band, or it touched the top Bollinger Band. So, and here the opposite, if come like this, I would go for a short, and here I would go for a long. As you can see here, even have the entries. So let's go. Let's start here. This would be a would start here with a you would close here with how many pips? 50 pips profit. Then the price would go here. You would go again for a long until here. A nice profit also. So 50 pips plus 50 pips, and here would be a loss, would be a really small loss. I don't know how many pips, but you would close the trade immediately. So 15 pips loss, and here nothing would happen, nothing would happen. Here you would go for a short because the price crossed here, and I believe so this would be a win until here. This would be another 50 pips, and this would be a loss. Here would be a loss, instant loss. Actually, no. The price was, I would not enter here, even if say here, but because the price here hit, but this green candle is completely inside the Bollinger Band. So here we would not do anything. Here would be, let's see, it would be a loss. 10 pips. And as you can see, sometimes Bollinger Bands are good to make you stay outside of the market. Here would be another loss for sure. Okay, so here the price closed under 26 pips, and here we would go for a long, and we would close here for a nice 40 pips profit, and we would lose all this. But as you can see, it's really simple. You can apply by yourself, test it.
Hello guys! By subscribing to Carlos Branco channel, you're gonna get 2 inches closer to your goals. And remember, 2 inches always make a difference.